Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Race and Resto. Thought I'd do a Sunday fun day. You know the drill. Life is what you make it. I put my words out yesterday. I put it out to the cosmos and said I wanted to get out of my projects. Yeah, there's some cars where I am. I'm on location. And I said, hold on. I said that I would like a BA wagon, and it had to be neat paint, reasonable interior. Now, looks like a BA wagon to me. So, it's got a fair few Ks on it, but it was fully logbook serviced up until about a year ago. It's not bad. I took the dodgy hubcaps off. There'll be a picture of it, how it was in the front yard. It's not bad. So this is our Tokyo Drift car park. We'll have to do a car collaboration here at some stage. This is really cool here. You wouldn't believe how many Ks it's got on it. But I put the word out and said, what am I doing? Why am I putting all this time and effort into all these cars? I have a BA xr6 turbo sedan that's a write-off. It's a repaired write-off, but it never passed. And I was like, well, why am I going to put it into an F-truck now that I only have one race car? I only have one car that I want to tow anywhere. So I thought, stuff it. I've had enough. So yeah, this is where we're at. These guys should keep this area clean. Stinky bastards putting rubbish everywhere. But yeah, here we are. We are now, the last month has been a bit of a up and down. I've questioned a lot of what I do. I have good skill and I have a reasonable workshop and all the rest of it, but why am I building cars just to... Let's see if I can face away. Just so as I can sell to make some money. So I made the conscious decision that all the projects that I've got have got to go, except for one. So I'll keep my M3 and I have a bike. But the bike isn't really a project. It's probably mental health stability, if anything. The M3, unless someone offered me stupid money, I will keep it. And when I say stupid, I mean stupid. Like, enough for me to go, well, that's a life changer. I can make something happen in life with that. So yeah, the Barra Turbo wagon is going to happen. So now the question is, are we putting the XR6 front on it, putting the XR interior in it and doing an XR6 turbo wagon? Or am I leaving it a bog stock white, untouched XT, just get it nice and clean and polished and tidy, tint the windows, and maybe stretch the rear rims an inch so I can put a 235 or a 245 on the back and just have a tidy turbo barra wagon as a daily and keep going on with what I do. Sometimes we need to question our actions if all we're doing is working hard. Lately, I've had people telling me in regards to friends. Kevo was telling me today that someone he knows they're from another country. I don't know what country. They're from Asia somewhere. And he hates it here because all everyone does here is work. Other people have stated that their friends, all they do is work. And many people I know are going back to other countries where they come from, where their family come from. They could be here their whole life, but their family came from other countries. I know a few guys, probably a few guys that actually watch. So I question, is working our asses off to pay the government more and more money every year, because this is what they're doing. They're squeezing us tighter and tighter. Is that worth us giving our whole life away for nothing more than dying with a heap of possessions that we really, really had to have? You know, I talk all the time with people about, do you keep your cars or do you sell a bunch of your stuff and finish one, finish two? You know, I'm talking to someone at the moment about it. We're also stuck on keeping everything that means something to us. I suppose if I had someone walk into my workshop and offer me really, really good coin for my business, I would probably, providing that they could give the same service, if not better than what I can, doing what I do, I would probably walk away and go do something different. Because at the end of the day, I'm mid-40s and I don't want to work every day. I don't want to be dressed like this every day. This isn't life, guys. We're supposed to be, you put a car together and you enjoy it and you go cruising. Check this out. This is a monster car park, and sometimes you'll come here and there'll be people here, but not many. Now, 15 years ago, hey, there would have been 10 cars here at any one time, other than what's parked here, because this is a park and ride. There would have been 10 cars at any one time with some sort of crazy, you know, hanging out, having some fun, skidding when they leave. But not anymore. We're all pinned to the wall. So this is why I'm going to do the turbo barrel wags. So just so you can all get a bit of an idea, it's not special. Driver's seat's a bit sagged. It has, I'll show you. I've got to show you. This thing runs so good. Kev and I went and test drove it today. Kev is such a legend. 425,000 Ks. And this car, I shit you not, you would swear that it's got 250 on it, maybe. And it drives as if it's got 200 on it. Drives so good. It's a country car, all country Ks and old men. So, oh, what is that? Oh, the light was on. That's it. So yeah, drives really, really good. So this would be a great spare engine if I blow up the turbo motor. But just so you can see, no turbo. So yeah, next step is sell a bunch of shit and decide which way I'm going to go and how far I'm going to go with it. I would like to think that in all reality, I paid very little for the car. It was sub $2,000. So I would like it to owe me less than 10K and be an amazing daily. Yeah. And I haven't decided whether it'll go XR yet or not. But in the comments, you write what you think. I think a xr6 wagon. No turbo badge, though. I can't do it. But I have got a full 4-inch exhaust for a sedan. So what I'll do is I'll modify it and I'll put an X-Force tip. I'll put the 4-inch exhaust and shit on it. If it's too big, we'll remake it. Well, guys, Sunday fun day.